How to turn on Instagram Notes. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Instagram Notes. First of all, open Instagram. Click on profile icon from the bottom right. Then tap on menu from the top right corner. Go into settings. Scroll down and click on the help option. From help, click on report a problem. Then press the report a problem without shaking option. After that, click on include and continue. Explain your problem here. For example, hello, I cannot see the note feature in Instagram. Please help me to get this feature as soon as possible. Thank you. You can also upload a picture of your problem or screenshot. Then click on send. Your feedback is submitted successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.